All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with, I'm around my ladder, with 26,000 miles. White with the gray vinyl interior, AM, FM stereo system. You got your power windows, power doors, got backup camera. Super nice. Your front bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your front hood looks good. Does have a little chippy there and another one there. Other than that, we look pretty good. This fender looks good. Here's your front front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. Tire 30 is over 7/32. This door looks pretty good. Yeah. This quarter here looks pretty darn nice as well. I don't see any dings. Well, looks pretty good here as well. Here's your your rear driver's side rim or steel wheel. Your tire 30 is over 7/32. Keep it moving. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Get your AM FM stereo system. You get your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera up here. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 26,201. Pretty much completes the tour. Make sure all the doors are unlocked. Coming around. This stuff looks pretty good. Your doors look pretty decent. This one does have a dent up there. You can't see it on the camera, but it's a small dent. Okay. This is, of course, what your rear cargo area looks like. Pretty nice, big, spacious. Has some light scratches, heavy scratches around the floor, but that's no big deal. Your wheel wells look pretty darn nice. What one of your doors looks like. Boom. Looks pretty darn nice. I don't see any damages to this bad boy. Here's this. And what that looks like. Looks good. I don't see any damages here either. Check out your roof. See what that looks like. Boom. And this is what your roof looks like. Got a couple of dings, as you can see down there. And some here that still have some circles on it, just to show that there are a couple of dings and dents up there, but you can see them right here on the camera. Boom. All right, guys. So you can see dents on the roof. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire thread over 7/32. This door does have a little ding there. It's got another little dingy there. Oh, I see a damage up here, as you can see, right here, and some up there on the edge. Very small. Some here as well. Okay. So what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. This door looks pretty good. Has a heavy scratch right there. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. The entire thread over 7/32 here. Lights, a working car is on. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2018 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 26,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.